Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Check these out, you guys. I think these are the cutest thing. So I think it's like one of those tea light holders. Like it's a block. It's $1.99 and it has like almost like a Scrabble tile on it. That is super cute. Now I would not leave it with a Scrabble tile. I'd probably try to paint over these. I think $1.99 is a little bit spicy, but I do like these. That is cute. That is super, super cute. Let's see if we can find anything else. Melissa D's. Look at this bowling pin. If you guys don't know, Melissa D's is a beautiful artist, and she does paint bowling pins. But look at this, Melissa, and everybody else. It's so beautiful. I don't know if this is like somebody's piece of art or what. They want $3.99. It is an actual bowling pin because she is heavy. She is heavy. I don't know if I can get her all in the frame, but super cute. Super, super cute. Now, it's interesting. I've seen stuff like this before, but I love the color. Oh, Lord. That's spicy. That is spicy because at the Dollar Tree, you remember during Mother's Day, they had like that kind of arrangement that was in a white vase, similar to this, almost similar size. And that was only, I think, $3. So this price is a little spicy because you could easily just have painted the one from the Dollar Tree. But cute. I do like the style of it. And I think this color is always on trend to me. That's always on trend. So bear with me if we've got a little sound issue here. But for all of my horse fans and friends, look at this. I love that kind of scalloped edge on that. What is this? $2.99. It's got a little blurb or something here. But that's really, really cute. I like the colors in that. And then I see this one for Faith. Very cute. Also $2.99. And then there's another one here. So you could get the whole set, it looks like. Very nice. Very, very cute. If you were into horses, let me know. Otherwise, I think we could easily DIY this by painting over it. But they're almost too beautiful to paint over. Those are cute. Okay. Interesting, you guys. I don't know why, but I thought this would make a really cute planter. It looks like it's $4.99. It's very heavy. It almost made me wonder if it was like, you know, real. I know it has that stamp. So does that mean it's real silver? One of you guys who is a kind of aficionado of that stuff, let me know. But in my mind, I just thought it would be kind of a cute planter. You know, maybe give it a little white tint distress. Throw a really cool piece of greenery up the top there. I just thought that would be really cool. It's very, very noisy in the store today, but that's, you know, it's the Goodwill. That's what we're going to do. But this is cute. Let me know if you, like I said, know if this is real or not. That's the markings on it, but very cute to me and simple. Have you guys noticed these little kind of vignettes that they're doing in the Goodwill? I love that. But check this out. You guys knew I had to grab it. It's a box. Oh my gosh. I need to throw this up into the checkout with me because it is a box. It's $1.99. But tell me right now that you don't see me making a lamp out of this. I think it's a claiming that it was a lantern originally. Okay, but it's kind of made out of paper. I don't know, but I love it. I think I'm going to have to grab this, you guys, because let's be real. You guys know I love to make a lamp, and if it's easy, even better, right? And the intricacy of this design, so beautiful. Let's snatch this up. Okay, you guys, I don't know if this is a toy and it's in the wrong spot or what, but I wanted to point this out because I feel like this is the second item that we've seen in recent history that was Elvis related. So it's a little Elvis bear. Look at it. It's a little Elvis. Now, what are these bears called? Are these those like, it says this is not a toy. Okay, fair enough. Oh my goodness. Very cute though. Very cute. Interesting. Let me know if you have seen these bears and if this bear is like some sort of collectible item. What is the price on it? Do you know what's funny? As always, I don't see the price. Whenever I see something that I think is interesting, I never see the price. I'm not sure where it would be on here, but I don't see it. So it's interesting because now we don't even know how much it is, but interesting little bear. Check this out, you guys. I don't even know what this is. Is it a piece of wall art? Do you guys see that? Sorry again, you know it is going to be busy and loud in here, but this is kind of crazy. It's $3.99. It's very heavy, and I'm not sure what it's for. Do you guys see that in the texture? Like, what do you think this is for? It feels almost too heavy to be a wall art piece, and it's not flat, so it's hard for me to think of it as a garden piece, but let me know what you think. What's going on here, you guys? I feel like Goodwill got somebody's home picture here, like their family picture. Let me turn this around so you guys can kind of see, because I think Grandpa's out here feeding a puppy. Is that what Grandpa's doing? Now the frame looks nice, but I gotta tell you, I don't think this is a stock photo. I think this is somebody's family picture. Look at this puppy and Grandpa. So $3.99 for this photo of Grandpa feeding the puppy. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, you know how it is. You know how it is. You know what time it is. I've got to check out the frames. I really, really like this. Strangely, I don't know if that came with the frame or what, but I like the botanical picture they have in it. But I also just like the patterning on this frame. It's very good quality. It's basically like a ceramic frame, 4x6. Very, very cute. Now I'm going to see how the price is. Looks like it's $1.99. I like that. So this fancy tea lantern is our inspiration piece. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So we chose this super cool tea lantern. Apparently it used to hold different types of tea, right? And it has this door that opens up. It's super, super cool. And I love the design. And I know that this DIY is going to be easy. And I'm just going to start by hitting it with a coat of black spray paint. Now this right here is a testament to what it means to thrift smart, right? We bought something that was almost perfect as is, so the process of turning this into a good DIY is just going to be so simple, and I love that. Yes, I love this. It's so cool to me. All we needed to do was put a coat of black spray paint on, and then I grabbed one of those puck lights that I got from Amazon that has the soft white glow, and it's perfect. Let me know in the comments if you have ever picked up something that was so easy to flip into a beautiful DIY.